Are your aloe vera leaves looking thin and weak? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you 5 simple secrets to help you grow thick, strong and juicy aloe vera leaves. Aloe vera loves the sun, but not too much. The best place for your plant is where it can get bright light, but not too hot. Morning sunlight is best. If you leave it under strong afternoon sun, the leaves can get brown or red. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple secrets to help you grow thick, strong and juicy aloe vera leaves. 1 is give it the right sunlight. Aloe vera loves the sun, but not too much. The best place for your plant is where it can get the bright light. Then secondly, don't water too often. Many people kill their aloe vera with too much water. Only water your aloe vera when the soil is dry. When it's time to water, give it a good soak. Water it well until it drains out of the bottom. Then wait until it's dry again before watering. Then the third one, turn the pot off. If your aloe vera is bending or growing only on one side, it means it wants more light. Just turn the pot around once a week. This helps all the leaves grow evenly and thick. Number 4, use the right soil. Aloe doesn't like wet soil. Regular garden soil holds too much water. So use fast draining soil like cactus mix or mix your own. 2 parts sand, 1 part compost and 1 part small stones or perlite. This keeps the roots happy. Then the 5th one is feed it. Aloe vera also needs food to grow big leaves. You can feed it with liquid compost or mild fertilizer once every 2 months. But don't overfeed. Too much can hurt it. So with these 5 secrets, your aloe vera can regenerate from the dying, the weak, the brownish leaves to the thick, green and fleshy aloe vera again. So those are the 5 secrets to growing thick and juicy aloe vera leaves. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comment section. If you learned something new, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and tap the bell so you don't miss my next aloe vera tips. Thanks for watching and happy planting.